Hi, my name's Steve Reese. I'm the licensee of the King's Head in Llandudno. Llandudno's oldest pub. It's over 300 years old, from the early 1700s. But a potted history is Llandudno was actually designed or thought of by a gentleman called Owen Williams, who was a developer and liked Llandudno, thought it'd be a great seaside resort, and that's what we have today. That was in 1846. One of the biggest challenges we've faced is the nature of the business, which is seasonal in the seaside resort, and keeping and being consistent all year round. After the summer, you've got a busy summer and it drops off in November, picks up in December, drops in January, back up in Easter. So yeah, our biggest challenge is keeping everything consistent, good solid, good service, customer service all year round, and I think we do it pretty well. Having registered with the Welsh Business Directory, I've found it a fantastic tool to find local and a little bit further away Welsh suppliers of fine foods that you can't find anywhere else. Advertising, well, we've tried newspapers in the past, not had a great result off them, and cost per benefit very high, so we moved into social media. Well, that's another thing that's incredible. Power of Facebook is beyond. We did a live music gig outside, Soul in the Sun, and we've posted a video and overnight had 20,000 views. Now that's more than you'd ever get in a newspaper, and the comments we had on it, and that just helps keep the profile of the pub up. Instagram helps. Fantastic way of advertising at the moment, and it's free. Top tips, well, it's got to be consistency, quality, keeping ahead of the game, don't rest on your laurels, and engage with your customer either through social media or face to face. They like it. Another little top tip is try and see your business through your customer's eyes. I always take a walk outside, walk into the pub, and check, have a little look around, flowers, lights, anything like that that's neglected sometimes and forgotten about. But your customers, first time, they will see this, and it's important that they see it how you want to see it, which is perfect. So got to check these little silent irritants. They all add up in the end and can give the customer a bad experience.